In this video, we're going to look at an application called Google Tour Builder. Now, Google Tour Builder allows you to build tours within maps. So let's give you an example of this. So to go to Google Tour Builder, just Google it. And then we can go to Google Tour Builder. Once you get to the website, what we could do is click on Create Tour. We first need to log in to our Google account. If you're already logged into your Google account, it will take you straight to this screen. If not, you'll have to log in with your Google account. So let's give this a title, Queen. Okay, I'm a big fan of Queen, and I went to one of their concerts back in 1986, so I'm going to do the Queen kind of magic tour. So this is Google Tour Builder. It's given us our title, it's given us the author. Now let's tell exactly what this is going to be about. Now, because this is the introduction, I just want to put a general photograph here. So let's add a photograph. I'm going to search for images. Now, because we are searching for images within this application, we are searching for images that we have the commercial rights to use. And then search. And there's a good photo there of Queen. So let's choose that and select that. So that's my introduction photograph. Now what I want to do is add a location. So this will be the first place they went to on their tour. So let's click Add Location. Now I happen to have a website here with the locations. All right, so the first location would be on the 7th of June in 1986, Stockholm, Sweden. Okay, so let's go back to our tour builder and we're going to go to Stockholm in Sweden. I could be more specific if I wanted to by knowing the stadium, etc. But for the purpose of this, I'm just going to do the city. And then we need to add that to our tour. Now what we can do, we can start creating a presentation based on that location. So first of all, let's tell the audience exactly what this is about. So let's go back to our concert. This is our tour. We can click on some information here. There's some information about the tour. If I wanted to, I can take that link and place that link inside my tour builder. So I put here for more information, click here. So let's highlight here and then put that link. And now we can insert the link that we copied. And then OK, we can open it in a new window. Click OK. Now, if people want to see more information about that, they can click on this link here. Let's add some photographs. So I'm going to go to More, Search for Images. Let's put a picture in of Stockholm. We can click on this little button here, and then we can add a title, and we can save, and then close. And now we can put the dates in. So the date was the 7th of June, 1986. I could change the icon if I wanted to. All right, so I can change it to a more appropriate icon if I had one. Let's change it to the star here. That's good. And I have some advanced options here, which allows us to add a KML or KMZ file to this particular point. We're going to leave that as it is. So now that is added to our tour. We can then go ahead and add a second location. So let's do that. Now for this location, I'd like to find a video. We can add up to 25 photos of videos per location. So let's click on this, search for YouTube. Here's a good video, select that, and this is going to tell us all about there. So we can now edit the media caption. It's already taken the YouTube information and put it in here, so we can leave that as it is. And then we go on to our third location. So I'm going to add several locations here and go through this quickly. Okay, so I've added 4 locations here. These are the first 4 locations that Queen visited on their tour in 1986 for Kind of Magic. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Done Editing. This has taken us to the last location that we put in. So let's go back to the introduction and let's play this full screen. So here's my tour. So where did Queen, that's where we started off. That's our introduction. Let's go to our first location. So we go to Stockholm. There's some information about Stockholm, and we can flick through our photographs if we want to. Let's go to the next one. Here we go. We can watch the video by clicking on the video, etc., etc. So let's exit the full screen. I can share this with others if I want to. If I click on share, now you can only share as a viewer. You can only share this as a viewer. You can't have multiple people editing your tour at the same time. So this is an individual project. So just like in any other Google document, you can invite people to view your tour from here. And finally, you can click on the export button. This will download it as a KML file, so you can download this and put this into other applications. That is Google Tour Builder. I'm sure you can find various applications of you using this within the classroom. One example would be to build the tour of a famous adventurer or explorer, or a tour around the highest mountains in the world. The ideas are limitless. And that is Google Tour Builder.